Hello guys, today in this video we will learn how to create the static web app using HTML and JavaScript. So we have to create a project folder, let's say Azure snippet. So create the folder Azure snippet. Under this folder create index.html, and I have written this code for my web application. So you have to copy this link from bootstrap.com. So click on this button, read the docs. Under introduction, you have to copy this link and paste it here. I have already pasted this, and same with this link. You have to take this link from here, script, and paste it here. So now you have to create myscript.js file, because it will create interactivity with a web page. So I've added the myscript.js file, script src myscript.js. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe our channel for more related videos.